Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Figma step by step clearly. To register with Figma, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL www.figma.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, you can choose to sign up using your email address or through third-party accounts like Google or Slack. If you prefer to use your email, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password that meets the security criteria displayed. After entering your email and password, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email at the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the verification message from Figma. Click the verification link within that email. This will redirect you back to Figma's website. You may be prompted to complete your profile by adding your name and preferred username. Fill in the required fields and click on Continue. Once your profile is set up, you'll arrive at the Figma dashboard. Explore the features and tools available to start your design journey. Congratulations, you are now registered with Figma and ready to create. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.